Time to start building. The roller prepares the platform in the chamber, which is heated. Burrell continues.
The laser scans the surface. We see a T-shaped area here in the center, which is where the laser has scanned now. The powder melts together and also into the previous layer, and you see the depression. Then the roller mechanism moves across again to provide more powder. The process is repeated. The laser scans. This is repeated thousands of times typically to produce a part. The area that's being scanned, of course, varies from layer to layer. At the end of this, the parts are removed from the fabricator. We do this by pushing the part bin cylinder or piston upwards, and so now in this volume we have a lot of white powder that remains loose, but also the areas that were scanned by the laser produce the parts in exactly the same configuration that they were produced on or represented on the computer screen. The parts then are moved to a breakout table where we remove the powder, which is loose and recyclable. These parts are a variety of test parts. We have a couple of test cylinders that are being removed at this point with some test samples, but also a large bit of elbow piping, which is used for our Society of Automotive Engineers here on campus at the University of Texas. The last step is to clean the parts, so this is done with brushes and with metal implements, not dissimilar to dental hardware. And the main advantage of this is seeing that by producing parts by a computer image and then following with this printing process, the geometrical complexity is limited only by the imagination of the computer software engineer or the person